Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So on the HBAR chart, we are tracking currently an active uptrend. The price also dipped strongly on Monday, as many other cryptocurrencies did, but we've also seen a recovery from where the price bottomed at around 17 cents to around about 24 cents. That's where we're now, at least. So in a minute, we're going to take a look at the smaller time frame. The idea is still that this is a three-wave corrective pullback here, which might have bottomed, but we have the same situation on many altcoin charts that the rally from the Monday low looks very similar on most charts, and we can now only observe micro support levels on the smaller time frames. Again, we're going to take a look at it in a minute, and you know, it either holds or it doesn't. And if it holds, it could then be the setup that sends HBAR higher towards the 49-cent level and 66-cent levels. Alternatively, the price might need a larger wave 4. So at the moment, all we say is we have a three-wave corrective pullback. This could be all of this wave 4, but it might extend. We don't know that yet. What we can say is we have a 9.8 cent support level on the daily time frame. This is the level that needs to hold to keep the overall uptrend intact. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame here on the HBAR chart. What you can see is on the micro level here on the 30-minute chart that the price recovered nicely from that low, from the Monday low, but it is not a very clear impulsive move. From an Elliott wave point of view, we always want to see 5-wave patterns to the upside, and this is technically not a 5-wave pattern. There might be people who say, well, this looks like 5 waves. I can see wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this is not in line with Elliott wave rules, because it would mean that the third wave is the shortest wave, and this is not allowed. This is a rule break. So it is not high confidence that we've actually bottomed. The probabilities, I would say, are fairly balanced, but I still give the bulls a chance. The reason why I do this is because the support area that we see there on the chart, which is located between 19.5 cents and 23.6 cents, well, it is a support area that only has just been reached. So the price has only just touched it. There's a small reaction, which is not large enough to say that we're actually rallying from here. However, the pullback, the correction that started after the recovery is looking very slow. So if you compare the momentum of the upside move with the decline, it does look as if there is a reasonable outlook, at least, that there will be a recovery rally, a further recovery rally, right? So what I would like to see is, maybe a little bit lower, but then a recovery from here and the next move up that could send the price to round about 39 cents next. Now, if this turns into the white scenario, which would be a 5-wave move up, possibly to 49 cents, maybe even 66, or in the blue scenario, just a 3-wave move up, which will then lead to another test of support, we will have to track that along the way. Overall, however, as I showed you, we are tracking a still active uptrend on the HBAR chart. I told you about the key support level on the daily time frame, 9.8 cents. But in the short term, this is a setup here on the micro level that we can watch for. So it looks like in the coming sessions, it might go a little bit lower before the recovery. And just to go back to the larger time frame, in case you're wondering, this next move up could be the last one in this cycle. It could be the last one before a large correction starts. So at the moment, I think there is still a reasonable outlook for one more high on the larger time frame. But then we could really, really, really crash hard together with Bitcoin. That is also what we are expecting for the Bitcoin chart. And in this process, the price could either break to completely new lows, or we might test this orange support region again in the yellow scenario in a larger wave 2 between 4.5 cents and 2.2 cents. So be careful after the next high. And until then, we're just watching support areas. So that's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.